What they advantage, what they disadvantage, what's your one opinion? Let's go. Uh, Global warming. Big to begin, the main the, the main advantage it is important health health raise public races races and the main disadvantage is consequence and possible and avalanche and disappear of the series or disappearing the floor on the phones. And in my opinion, it is important. In my opinion, it is important the factory can be more aware of the main problem of their manufacture. Thank you. Feedback. Sir, living a two.